Good morning, children. Today I shall continue with articles, that is lesson 5. Okay, now you see, we were talking about a and an, okay? We are talking about a and an. These two articles we are talking about, I taught you yesterday. Now, they are known as, these two are known as indefinite articles. You have to keep in mind, indefinite articles. They are known as indefinite articles, okay? And today I am going to teach you about the, which is a definite article, which is a definite article. Okay, now you see here, two sentences you see here, I am reading. I want a student to collect all the answer scripts. Munni will need an hour to complete her project. You see here a and an are used if we are not talking about a specific noun. First sentence you see, I want a student to collect all the answer scripts, means any student can collect. If the teacher comes and say, I want a student to collect all the copies or all the answer scripts, that means any student from the class of 60 can come and collect it. Okay, we are not talking about anyone specific, anyone particular. Munni will need an hour to complete her project. Maybe in 24 hours she will need only an hour, that means 1 hour she will need. We are not talking about any specific time. We are talking about any hour, whenever she is free, she can do her project. Okay, so you can understand, when we are not talking about anything particular or about anything specific, we can use a and an. But the, come here to the, which is a definite article. This means in a sentence, when you are going to use the, when you are talking about something specific, something particular, you are going to use the, okay? Now you see, with the help of some examples, I shall explain you. I want the students in the first row to collect all the answer scripts. Now you see this sentence, I want the students in the first row. Now here we are talking about only the students who are sitting in the first row. Suppose three children are sitting in the first row. We are talking about only these 3 children. Those who are sitting will collect the copies. No one else will collect the copy. So here we are talking about the particular. We are talking about someone particular. Okay. Now you see here, we use the when we know the person we are talking to. Please keep in mind, we use the when we know the person we are talking to. Okay. Now you see the next example. Munni is free for an hour now. She will need the hour to complete her project. Now she is free for an hour now. I just explained you this. Here nothing specific is given. But in the next part of the sentence, she will need the hour. Now she is free for an hour. Now she will need the hour. This hour she will need. Particular this hour she will need to finish her project. Okay. So the refers to a noun mentioned before. Now you see here, already a noun is already mentioned before here. Because Munni is free for an hour now. We are talking about Munni who is free for an hour now. So she can complete the work in this particular time. That means that an hour changed into the hour in the next part of the sentence. Now you see, the tallest mountain range in the world is the Himalayas. Here we are talking about the tallest mountain range, which is the Himalayas. Here the refers to a proper noun, that is one of a kind. Now if I talk about here the Yamuna, the Godavari, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Here we don't have 2 Gangas, we don't have 2 Yamunas, we don't have 2 Himalayas. We have only one of its kind. Right? Maybe in the whole world we have only one of its kind. So here we are using the. But you have to keep in mind, before name of the countries, we don't use the. We will not say the India, the America, the China, the Germany. We will never say. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay. Now next one you see, the sun also the sun, the moon, the sky, it is only one thing of its kind. We don't have two suns, we don't have two moons. So the sun, the moon, the earth, when we are talking about, it is only one of its kind, okay? Now you can say, when we talk about geographical points on the earth, like if I say you the equator, the north pole, the south pole, it is also when we are using or talking about geographical points on the earth, we will use the. Okay, now you see here some examples are given. The Konark Sun Temple, where you are going to use the because it is one of its kind. Then the Jama Masjid, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Narmada, the Pacific Ocean, just now I explained. Before the names of a thing which are only one of its kind, we are going to use the. Okay. Now you see here, the can be used for singular and plural. We can use the for singular as well as plural, and we can use the for countable as well as uncountable nouns. Okay, children, now I am going to do exercise B. Children, please see exercise B. You take out page number 38. This is page number 38. Please see, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. We have to fill in the blanks with this articles, okay? Now you see here, dash and fill into dash full of water. An ant. This is, we are not talking anything particular here. So, okay, it can be any ant. So, we are using an ant. Fell into a pool of water. Into a pool of water. Here also nothing specific is given. So into a pool of water. It can be any water body. Okay, an ant fell into a pool of water. Second number, you see Seema is the first girl. Seema is the first girl in the class to go home. Please see here. Here we are talking about someone specific, someone particular. That is first girl. We are talking about her. So we are using here the. Seema is the first girl in the class to go home. We are talking about a particular class. A specific class we are talking about. A specific noun. So we are using here the. Okay. Seema is the first girl in the class to go home. Number 3, you see, we had to wait for an hour. An hour. It is a countable noun. Right? And you know, here H is silent. I taught you. So we had to wait for an hour. Okay, now you see here Yamuna. Before Yamuna, what we are going to put? The. Because Yamuna is a proper noun, only one of its kind. That's why we are using here the Yamuna flows beside the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal also is a proper noun and it is one of its kind. We don't have two Taj Mahals, right? So the Yamuna flows beside the Taj Mahal in Agra. Children, please see number 5. This is, have you met the principal today? Why we are using here the? Because sometimes we use the when we are talking about the person we know. So someone is asking, have you met the principal today? That means you know the principal. That's why we are using here the. Okay, here also we are talking about someone particular, someone specific. So we are using the here. Next one, you see, I wanted to buy the t-shirt with an apple drawn it. Now, why before t-shirt we are using the? Because we are talking about a specific t-shirt, a particular t-shirt which has an apple drawn in it. Right? I will buy that one only. You see the sentence, I wanted to buy the t-shirt means you will buy the t-shirt. That t-shirt which will means where an apple is drawn, right? So you see here, I wanted to buy the t-shirt with an apple drawn on it. Now apple can be any apple. The drawing can be any type of apple. So here nothing particular is given. So we are using here an, and as you know, this is countable also, right? So here we are using, I wanted to buy the t-shirt because of the specific t-shirt with an apple drawn on it. Okay, children, please go through exercise A and B, and please note down in your copies all this exercise. Please note down in your English language copy.